Hello guys, today I will explore how principle of design can interpret with styling. For today, I will show you how to use emphasize from principle of design for better styling. So let's get started. In art and design, emphasis or focal point is part of work that will catch your eye attention. It makes overall works looks interesting with things to focus on. In art and design, artists or designer will make one area stand out by contrasting it with others area. And the area could be different in colors, size, texture, or shape. And the interruption of difference will attract our eye attention. In styling, we can also create contrast by contrast the size, form, texture, colors, and also the style. And here I am wearing a white short with oversized draped shirt. Underneath there is a dark gray t-shirt. So for this outfit, there is two contrasts. First is the contrast of size and shape. So on the top, the shirt is long sleeve and oversized, contrast with a well-fit short. The second contrast is the contrast of colors. On the top, I am wearing black and dark, contrast with a very bright white on the bottom. Another simple contrast of colors that I really like to do is I would wear a monochromatic outfit with just one bright colors, like a bright oversized jewelry or bright colorful shoes that also make a contrast to the simple outfit. Another way to create contrast is contrast the style, and this contrast style for me it is very fun way to styling because you are creating a new style. So here I am wearing a black ruffle blouse which is very feminine, contrast with totally opposite style, a ripped boyfriend jeans with black boot and chain handbags which all have rock and street vibe. And one thing that when you are creating any type of contrast in your outfit, make sure to not create too much contrast because that could also break the unities in your outfit. And another way that you can create emphasis is by isolation. And in art and design, isolation is a contrast of placement. It makes you focus on the isolated object. And isolation always works regardless of contrast or proportion. In styling, you can use isolation by style a plain basic items like white t-shirt, jeans, or black skirt with any type of statement items. For example, I would pair a graffiti t-shirt with a simple jeans or a texture skirt with a white plain tops. And this is all how I use emphasize from principle of design for better styling. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and have a nice day.